Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to allow sites to send notifications on Google Chrome browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To allow sites to send notifications on Google Chrome, go to Google Chrome and click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Then click on settings. In left panel, click on privacy and security. Now scroll down, then click on site settings. Scroll down again. Here you will find notifications. Click on notifications, and under default behavior you will find two options. Sites can ask to send notifications and do not allow sites to send notifications. Just click on the first one. Sites can ask to send notifications, and here collapse unwanted request is selected and it's recommended. Sites are allowed to send notifications on my Google Chrome browser. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.